Today, I'll walk you through how to upload a signed certificate in Salesforce, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to upload your signed certificate so you can enhance your Salesforce security. Let's get started. First, navigate to your Salesforce dashboard. Look for the Setup Gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This is your gateway to various settings and configurations. Once you click on the Setup Gear icon, you'll notice a quick find box on the left side of the screen. Here, type Certificate and Key Management. This will help you locate the specific section you need for uploading your signed certificate. After you type that in, select Certificate and Key Management under the Security Controls section. This is where all your certificate management tasks will take place. Think of it as the control center for your security certificates. Now, depending on how your certificate was signed and saved, you have a couple of options. If you are importing from a Java key store, let's go through that process. On the Certificate and Key Management main page, look for the option that says Import from Keystore. Click on that. This will allow you to upload your Keystore file. Next, click on Choose File and select your JKS Keystore file that you generated using Java KeyTool. This file contains your signed certificate, so make sure you have it ready. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps will still be similar. After selecting your file, you'll need to enter the Keystore password. This is crucial for accessing the contents of your Keystore file. Just like a lock on a door, it keeps your information secure. Finally, click Save. This will upload your signed certificate into Salesforce, completing the process. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a signed certificate in Salesforce. Remember, this process is essential for maintaining the security of your applications and data. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.